Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I kind of made another impulse purchase. I saw that Essence was having another sale and I couldn't help myself. So yeah, today is going to be an unboxing video for the Margiela tabi boots. And yeah, let's just get into this thing because I'm excited. It arrived yesterday and I was like trying so hard to contain myself to not open it, but yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is the box. I got a size 35.5 in these. My tabi shoes, I have a 36, but it is a bit big. That's why I like size down half a size for this one. Oh my god. This is the boot. I have the gray colorway and I'm loving them. This is how they look. They look nice. Okay, so they didn't give a dust bag for the shoes, but it's okay. Oh, and then you can see how it has the latches right here. And the color is nice. I feel like gray was definitely the right choice. It's honestly cute as fuck. Okay, it's cute. I like it. The camel toe, I know like some people like but yes, it's a yes for me. So the boot that I actually got was the slimmer one. As you can see, like this area is pretty narrow. On the website there was actually a version that was a bit wider, and of course it was cheaper because it's not like as snug around your ankle. But yeah, I feel like the slimmer look definitely just looks better on me personally. I have like skinny ankles, so I would like it to hug my leg a little bit, my ankle a little bit better. Alright, so I ordered these off Essence February 24th, and I believe the very next day it already shipped, and their shipping is usually fast, so I was expecting it in a couple days and it came Monday. So yeah, that's freaking crazy. And it was on sale. It was about like 50% off. So the original price for these boots would have been $9.80, but I got it for $5.49. So I am gonna try these on and let you guys know how it fits. Oh, and for reference, I am a woman's 6, US 6. But yeah, I'm excited. Okay, I am back. I just finished trying them on, and honestly I feel like they fit perfectly. A 35.5 is chef's kiss. Okay, as for sizing goes, I would honestly recommend going down half a size for the boots, and for the sneakers I would say a full down size. But yeah, I'm happy that I got a 35.5 because I feel like if I got a 35 it would have been way too small, and a 36 would have been like a little bit roomy, which I don't like. But they fit really well and they're comfy so far from what I've worn. I really like the material of the shoe. On the outside and inside it is both leather, as you can see, and they have these latches on the inner area. You know how boots usually do like zippers? Margiela was like, no, we're gonna switch up the game. So yeah, I like it. It's just different. It's the little detailing and of course the signature split toe that sets it apart from everything else and just makes it like a staple shoe in itself. So this colorway that I got is only exclusively on Essence, so if you're interested in looking for this exact pair, I would highly recommend checking them out. Now for are they worth it? Are these boots worth it? I would say yes if they're on sale, because I can't imagine spending like $1,000 on these boots. No, not at all. Yeah, but so far I feel like honestly if it's on sale and if it's about like half price and you have the means, might as well treat yourself to something nice. But if you're considering investing in a pair of Margiela tabi boots, I highly recommend it because I feel like, one, it's a staple piece. It's gonna set your outfit apart from the rest, and it's made of like high quality material, as you can see, and it's also gonna age nicely. It's not like a trend that you see like on TikTok or something. Like, this is a piece that's gonna last with you. Okay, so I am planning on trying on some outfits and showing you guys what you can style with it, and also gonna include like some b-roll so you can see like in close depth of these shoes.